Hi, Tyler from SportRx. Good to see ya. We're here talking about the IO Mag. It has an interchangeable design. It's unique in the Smith goggle collection because it has magnets. That's how it's held on. But there still is a little bit of a how-to. If you're having questions, you just got it. You want to know, hey, this isn't quite as intuitive as I thought. Yeah, it's still pretty easy. There's a little tab here on the inside of the back side of the strap, rather. You kind of want to push that down. You'll see a little button that kind of pulls up right there that releases the clip part, because not only does it have these magnets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 magnets, but it also has clips on the outside to make sure it's extra secure. This guy's never going to fall off on you. So once you get that off, like I said, you just depress it and you pull it away. And you have these little grip pieces right here, a little extra plastic so that you can grip it. And when you put it back in, just same deal. You want to put it back in there, and what I've found that you can probably get better at it the more you work at it, but a good idea to make sure that it is clipped in once you get it, and you got it, and it's done. Good to see you.